Hey everyone! So today we are going to do a 10 by 20 flip and drag, and we will use the airbrush after. So I have a little 3-ounce cup, and I will spray it with the WD-40 silicone spray. And I am going to rub that in. Okay, so the colors I have for today are Craftsmart Deep Bronze, Metallic, and Black, Lucas Terracotta, and Artist Loft Naples Yellow. So I will start with some black, and I'm going to put about a tablespoon of each color in. Well, not even a tablespoon. Almost a tablespoon. You don't want to have too much paint on a flip and drag. And I will give that a tiny little swirl just to incorporate the colors, marry them together. And it's okay if you leak, because you're going to drag. It's so quiet here without Nate. I'm sorry, Nate, I missed you. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and drag this out. I just lost all my paint back there. So I'm going to go back and grab some of this white. I really like this right here. I think that's all I'm going to do to it. So I'm going to stretch this out yet. Let me give it a quick torch. Let's see what we can do with it. I like that the terracotta is very visible. And now stretch it the other way. And this helps fill in any little canvas bare spots that you might have gotten from dragging the cup. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and airbrush this out. These airbrushes that I use, it's called a Master Airbrush. It's available in my Amazon shop, and that link is below. It's 25 psi, which is absolutely perfect for doing stuff like this. And you can still move paint around with it if you want to use it for something else. I'm going to pull that little bit of darkness down. I'm grabbing that piece. Sometimes I see spots that I don't want to touch, and then I go in and I move them and they get a little murky, but when it dries, it doesn't dry that color. I like the darkness on this side and more of the terracotta and bronze over here. The Naples yellow is popping through a little bit in spots, but not as much as I thought it would. I didn't use a lot of it because I didn't want to get this corally yellow color, but this I can live with. It's pretty, and it's around these cells here. Let me give it a quick torch. So we are back in the swing of things, filming today and getting everything cleaned up out here. I have a lot of supplies to put away that I got at the show, and supplies that I bought after I dropped Nate off at the airport. But all the orders went out this week, and if you had ordered anything from me on a commission job or any other order, those all went out already. But I really like that, how that yellow is right there. It's pretty. So, if you haven't subscribed yet, click below. Check out all the links below. We did start a Facebook group. It's called the Garage Posse with Christina Welch. You can post pictures there and chit-chat with all of our group members. We have over 100 members already in one day, and they'll answer questions for you. We have some files available for how to mix paint and all kinds of things there. Join us. Just have to answer a few questions. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and we will see you there. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.